See, first of all, thanks to our Binda sir and Akshata ma'am. Actually, see, I am started my career with manufacturing industry starting. Okay, and in the I have some problem in manufacturing industry and not able to survive in that industry. Then decide to switch. Started in career in software. So, but I require some strong platform softwares and good suggestion and I'm searching for well guidance and mentor. So our friend and our colleague inform me, introduced me to Binda sir. Then I can go through each and every suggestions of Binda sir and follow her instructions and now take a course with Binda sir and study well. Now I get a job in good industry with a 10 lakh package, and so there is this all of this one only. So just follow each and everything the instruction given by our sir only. Actually, as the starting, I am also here to switch the job from manufacturing to this one software actually. And after introducing me to Binda sir, then I confirm that so I will definitely create one good platform in software. So now I will do it also. So you have a good career. So just follow your instructions, suggestions from Binda. So then Binda sir, then you will get survive in software industry. So nowadays in software industry, is competition is also increased. So this Tech Sarvam is the best platform to produce competitive candidates in the software industry. Yeah, this is my opinion. Thank. See, actually, basically I am from mechanical engineer and passed out here in 2015 actually, and started career with this manufacturing industry. Okay, then move to the software by help of our Blender only. Okay, so so many problems I have faced in the manufacturing actually. So then I decided to switch to software and learn course very well. Okay, follow the instructions neatly and do some planning for learning courses, done courses, and Tech Sarvam also not only provide courses, they provide job assistance also. So they help us to provide the job, and they provide some hints, tips to get the job also. So apart from the courses, they can help in any ways also to get the job actually. Okay, as like interview preparation, some instruction to attend interview. Okay, so that they can help everything actually. Yeah, this is what I am saying.
Yeah, he's asking your current package. Someone, Kausar Kalwad is asking your current package.
Yeah, see, now current package is 10 lakh now actually. Yeah, anything else? Yeah, see, now current package is 10 lakh now actually. See, now it's going well actually. So nothing more difference in courses and real scenarios. So just we can have real touch up in the industry. Okay. So just so nothing more difference in courses and real scenarios. Just go well in courses, then you will survive definitely good in a real time. Yes. Now the that hints and some suggestions. Okay. So everything whatever I am doing doing in the company, that is almost all same whatever I am learning the Tech Sarvam actually. And for a pressure, almost all from Tech Sarvam they can suggest us also. So how we can survive in company, how what we can do actually in the company. They can do each and every. They can help to survive also. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. So this is not a matter actually. See in the company what happens, they can provide the task. Okay, so we can go through that flow only. So we can do a work, done a better work. Then it's not an issue. In the software industry, there is no matter actually whether it is mechanical, electrical, CS, or whether it is this one arts, commerce, BA, and that is also not matter. They now in software industry requires only degree and good knowledge of the software only. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, now I am working in automation testing. Yes. It's actually in company that is a mix up with manual and automation. So automation part is more in our company actually. But just my suggestion is just go in the at the time of the course, you can put your time, more time to the course. Learn how much possible you can learn in the course. Oh, then it will help you to get the jobs and survive in the company also. It's my suggestion. Uh, from Naveen, what minimum knowledge we must have in Selenium? Yes, so from Selenium, say we can writing the test cases. That is like first we can find the X path of the elements, like CSS selector and ID X path. Okay, and some knowledge about exceptions is required, and some knowledge about the find the element. It's the most, and Windows handling, and this one is important. Windows handling is important. Okay, and there is a checkbox drop down. Okay, these are also some important. So we can have learn all these things in the courses only. So the same things will be repeated in the real scenarios actually. And from Ganesh Naga, was this the first time you learned the tools? Yeah, exactly. It's the first time what I can learn from the Tech Sarvam only. Before this, I can in the manufacturing industry only. And you had knowledge before? No, I don't have knowledge before. Just started from just as Tech Sarvam only. Navita Pinamraju, do we need to get complete job for testing purpose? For testing purpose, we can have knowledge of Java, but complete knowledge is not required. Sir will provide how much it will require for testing. They will give on. They will give on definitely.